This is an iced tea glass, and I'm Bill, the Kansas Flamingo Chef, and thanks for joining me for another edition of Flock Tales. Today we're going to make some iced tea, but not just any iced tea. We're going to make strawberry bourbon iced tea. I know it sounds good. So we're going to start with a cocktail shaker and a couple of decent-sized strawberries that I've cut the tops off. I'm just going to drop those in there. I've got an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. That's going to go in there as well. We're just going to muddle this real quick. With a muddler, I'm just going to, there's no ice in here. Just press those strawberries with that lemon juice to break them up a little bit. When you're done muddling, you should have something that looks kind of like that. So basically a strawberry puree in the bottom of the glass. I'm going to add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Now what I'm using is just some stuff from the grocery store, but you can make it yourself. It's just sugar and water. You're going to need 2 ounces of bourbon. Now I'm using Buffalo Trace, and I've got just a little bit more than 2 ounces left in the bottle. So I might as well drop it in there so I can open another one. Add a couple of big scoops of ice to your shaker and shake it up. We're going to strain that over fresh ice. You're going to have a little room left in the top of the glass. We're going to top that with some fresh brewed, unsweetened iced tea. Now, just for looks, we've got a lemon wheel, and just for fun, a strawberry. You can stick a straw in this or whatever you like, hand it to your guest, it's ready to go. Let's see what it tastes like. That's a glass of tea I can get behind. Till next time, remember to check me out online, kansasflamingochef.com. Eat fabulous, drink fabulous. If there's something you'd like me to make, all you got to do is let me know. Food, whiskey, whatever. That's what I'm here for. Have a great day, and we'll see you at the next one.